Hello everyone. Are you ready to meet a tool that's revolutionizing the world of artificial intelligence and making things incredibly easy? Today, we are focusing on the Pinocchio AI browser, which buries complex code lines and black terminal screens in the past. Let's briefly summarize for those who don't know. Pinocchio is a browser that lets you install any AI application on your computer with a single click, whether it's voice cloning, face swapping, or video generation. Just like browsing the web, you can navigate through AI models and manage servers and bots completely locally and securely on your computer. We will cover two different scenarios in this video. First, I'll show existing Pinocchio users how to update their system. Immediately after, I will explain a fresh, clean installation from scratch with all the tips for those stepping into this world for the first time. If you are ready, let's start. Let's start with our current users first. Pinocchio is a platform that updates frequently and constantly gains new capabilities. As soon as you launch the application, if there's a new version, you will see an Update Available message box automatically appearing on the screen. What you need to do is very simple. Just click the Yes or Update button in this message box. Pinocchio will automatically download the necessary new core files in the background and overwrite your current version. Let's also answer the most frequently asked question here. If I update, will my downloaded models be deleted? No, don't worry. Your downloaded checkpoints, generated images, and settings are preserved. Only the application infrastructure is refreshed. When the download is complete, the application will ask you to restart. Confirm it, and wait for Pinocchio to reopen in its most up-to-date and performant state. That's how easy the update process is. Now, let's get to the main point. You've never installed Pinocchio before, or you want to delete your old buggy version and open a clean page. We are going step by step. First, we go to the official site, pinocchio.co, from our browser. We click the Download button on that minimalist and stylish page that appears. Pinocchio works on Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. In this guide, we will perform the Windows installation, which is the most common scenario. We download the installation file by clicking the Download for Windows button. When the download is complete, our file will be in the Downloads folder. Simply double-click on this setup file you downloaded to start the installation. When you run the file, the installation process will start automatically. At this stage, Windows Smart Screen or Firewall might dim the screen with an unknown publisher warning. There's nothing to be afraid of. We continue by clicking More Info and then Run Anyway. Pinocchio needs these permissions because it sets up a server on your local network. The installation will be completed in seconds, and the application will open automatically. If Windows Firewall asks for network access permission, make sure to click the Allow Access button for the application to work smoothly. And here is the Pinocchio setup screen. The most critical point you need to pay attention to here is the Home directory. That is, where Pinocchio will save its massive AI models. The default settings are usually fine, but make sure you have enough space on your disk. AI models can take up gigabytes of space. If you wish, you can protect your eyes by selecting Dark Mode from the Theme section, just like I do. Pinocchio will integrate the basic tools it needs to work, like Python, Git, etc., into your system. You don't need to do anything, just sit back and wait for the installation to finish. Congratulations! You now have a fully fledged AI base installed on your computer. Now let's look at the interface. There is now a very important feature here called the check-in system. Thanks to the check-ins panel on the right, we can see with community data which application worked smoothly on which hardware. You can list the newest or popular applications with the latest and trending buttons, find the model you want from the search bar, and download it with a single click. Pinocchio AI is now installed on your computer, and you're ready to explore the limitless world of artificial intelligence. Very soon you will find fresh and detailed content on our channel about specific applications you can use with Pinocchio and AI training. You'll soon discover a wide range of fresh and diverse educational content on our channel focused on artificial intelligence in Pinocchio AI. To get the most out of our training sessions and fully grasp the concepts, we strongly recommend watching each video from start to finish without skipping any parts. We also encourage you to explore both our previously published content and the exciting new videos coming soon. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.